Hi guys, in this video we will see how to use or change Google DNS server on your Windows 11 and 10 system. How to use or how to change Google DNS server address. Here are the process. Right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and in run dialog box type the command ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl. This command, click on OK. This command will open all your available network connections in your system. All your available network connection, Bluetooth network connection, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, LAN. Go to your network connection, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Simply right click on your network which you want to change Google DNS server. Choose properties. Your connection properties window will now open. Here go to the connection uses the following items. Scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Select it and choose properties. Internet Protocol version 4 properties will open. Here you do option found: obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. Make the check against option, use the following DNS server address, and your preferred DNS server address, Google DNS server address, will be 8888, and alternate DNS server will be 8844. This is the Google DNS server address, preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server. Click on OK to set and change Google DNS server for your Windows 10 and 11 network.